Breathe in, go back side, step 2. Very nice. Step 3, forward bending, hold. Step 4, left leg back. Look in the mirror, everyone, look straight. Perfect. Right leg back, plank position, full plank position. Bend your door. Next, fall down, hip up. Face ముందుకు ఉండాలి, face అద్దంలో చూడాలి. Okay, next, cobra pose. Cobra. Everyone do cobra pose. Anna itla. Pike. Very nice. Next, mountain pose. Hold there. Holding 10, 9, 8, 7. Very good, everyone. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, left leg forward. Open your eyes, look straight, smile. Right leg forward. Right leg forward, forward bending. Hands on the floor. Floor paina hands ravali. Next, slowly back bending. Breathe in cheskunte back bending cheyandi. Breathe in and back bending. Hold there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out to the center. Namaste position. 10 seconds. 10. Close your eyes. Legs close. 9. Legs close. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay.